Oh, he's still down there.
You got him coming, pal?
Yeah. Still on there. Holy.
Is he a big one, you think?
Not. As fat as Daddy's, probably as fat as that motor.
Really? Keep him coming. You ever do the pump?
This?
Pump and reel? Pump up and reel down?
I do that a lot.
Okay.
What's big fish, Dad?
Yeah, that's how you
I
get
did that when I was reeling pretty much all the fish.
Huh.
Do you want to put it in a rod holder? Will that help you? Huh? No, you got it?
He's just hard to reel.
Just hard to reel? You get that sucker, you think?
Yeah. Eventually.
Eventually. You've been at it for 5-10 minutes now so far, so keep on him.
I'm taking out line.
Take him more line.
Yeah. Taking more line.
What are you going to do with him?
Line,
Yeah, watch you don't touch that line because that can cut you when he's, especially if you pull it fast, okay? Well, we're going to have to stop recording because this is taking forever. He's a big fish. We'll get it recording when he gets closer to the top, okay?
Okay.
Keep fighting him, pal. We'll be back.